What's the meaning of computerization? Computerization. Computerization.
Computerization. Computerization. Computerization refers to the process of integrating computer technology into various aspects of society, such as businesses, education, and healthcare. The result of computerization is often improved efficiency, accuracy, and speed in performing tasks that were previously done manually. It can also lead to increased productivity, streamlined processes, and reduced costs. However, there are also potential downsides to computerization, such as job loss or the need for retraining, data security concerns, and increased dependence on technology.